How to deactivate a Facebook page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate a Facebook page within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the three lines on the top left of the app to open up the menu. Once in the menu, we just need to switch to the profile of the Facebook page that we want to deactivate. And you can do that by selecting the little drop down next to your username over here, and then select the Facebook page you want to deactivate. It'll switch to the profile for that page. And here, all we need to do is again, open up the menu. And on an iPhone, it'll be up here in the top left next to Facebook. On an Android phone, it might be right here next to the image icon. So select this little three lines to open the menu. And then scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. From there, scroll down almost to the bottom, and you'll see Your Information. Select Access and Control. And now we have the ability to deactivate the Facebook page. Make sure Deactivate Page is selected, then select Continue. We then need to tell them why we're going to deactivate it. So I'm just going to select this as temporary and then select Continue. It'll give you some information about saving your post in an archive, and then we can have the page automatically reactivate if we want to. So select this drop down. By default, it's going to be 7 days. If you don't want it to reactivate automatically, just select that right there and then select Continue. So now they'll give you the option to download all the page's information, select Continue. And then all we need to do to deactivate our Facebook page is select Deactivate Page. They may ask you to enter your account password to confirm your identity. So go ahead and do that if you need to. And then after that, your Facebook page will be deactivated. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.